If you look at the timeline for almost any major transit hub built in the last 20 years, you'll see a familiar pattern. From breaking ground to cutting the ribbon, these projects typically drag on for well over a decade. So when planners mapped out the new Chongqing East Railway Station, the timeline they announced sounded like a typo. They committed to a hard deadline of exactly 38 months. To understand how difficult that is, we have to look at the sheer scale of the site. This diagram compares the station's 170 football field footprint directly to Midtown Manhattan. You can see how the layout swallows a massive chunk of the city grid. If you try to run the math on completing a structure that size in 3 years using traditional human labor, the equation breaks down. There physically isn't enough space on site to safely pack in the thousands of workers required to hit that deadline. The sheer speed of the build caught the attention of the global tech industry, with figures like Elon Musk openly spotlighting the project's aggressive timeline and sparking a debate on how infrastructure is managed worldwide. The engineers in Chongqing didn't solve their deadline problem by throwing more human labor at it. Instead, they removed the human bottleneck by deploying a highly coordinated autonomous robot army. To make a robotic workforce function at this scale, you first need a brain. The entire construction site was managed by a central digital nervous system capable of tracking millions of moving parts. This visualization shows the logistical hurdle, routing hundreds of autonomous machines simultaneously. The system calculates thousands of routes, ensuring equipment never collides. Meanwhile, it actively maps the terrain and dispatches specific tasks, guiding units down to the millimeter. Because these machines don't need sleep, shift changes, or coffee breaks, the site operated continuously. They achieved a perfectly synchronized 24/7 workflow. By removing human fatigue and logistical errors from the management side, planners took a process that usually suffers years of accumulated delays and compressed it into a fluid 38-month sprint. But a digital brain is useless without physical muscle on the ground. This is where specialized hardware took over. Heavy lifting, high-risk maneuvers, and complex material installations were handed off to machines like this automated glass handling unit, operating safely right alongside human supervisors. Tasks that would traditionally demand a large crew and weeks of scaffolding and rigging were completed by these units in a matter of days. The result is a relentless momentum. Massive steel and concrete elements rise from the earth, locking into place completely detached from human limitation. By automating the most dangerous and physically exhausting tasks, the project bypassed the single greatest constraint in construction, the physical limits of the human body. Exactly 38 months later, the dust settled. The heavy machinery rolled out, revealing the finished exterior of the Chongqing East Railway Station, anchored by these towering white pillars. Inside, the station is designed to process an enormous volume of foot traffic. The main hall reflects this capacity, operating less like a traditional waiting room and more like a contained city block. Functionally, it integrates directly with China's high-speed rail network. Passengers can step off a train and immediately access ultra-fast transfer systems to navigate the hub. This level of connectivity is already acting as an economic engine, boosting tourism into inland cities and actively altering travel habits across the country. But this station is only one piece of a larger machine. It serves as a vital artery feeding directly into Chongqing's dense urban landscape, a city operating like a vision of the near future. Constructing a city-sized hub in just 3 years represents a permanent leap in infrastructure capabilities worldwide, setting a new baseline for what is possible. Chongqing East is a fully functional proof of concept. It proves that when you combine digital logistics with autonomous heavy machinery, the timeline for building tomorrow's cities shrinks from decades down to mere months.